Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see Capricorn, what's going on with you now, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Capricorn, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Capricorn, newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Capricorn, this side will be person A for me, this side will be person B for me. If this is your storyline, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, so action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the 6 of Wands. Were there some ego battles here, Virgo? This could either be somebody still wants to have victory, or this could be somebody having ego battles. Let's see what's going on here. Somebody walked away from a person who was perfect for them, and because of that, the other person who felt that person was probably a liar or didn't bring clarity, has decided to kind of focus on themselves now and become the best version of themselves for themselves. Let's see, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Capricorn. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards, okay? Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Okay. I'm going to take a few more, Capricorn, from another deck. Capricorn and their person. Ooh, one more. Okay, I'm going to take one more. Capricorn and their person. All right, good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours though anymore. I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. It felt suffocating sometimes. Are you sorry for hurting me? It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. Left off on bad terms with so many things left unsaid. I wish I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now." All right, Capricorn, these were some of your messages. If they were resonating with your storyline, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you today as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Steady progress. I have a feeling this connection may not be over yet, because I feel somebody still wants to have victory. And yes, there is a possibility. There is a possibility of making steady progress once again. But let's see. So you could be either side, Capricorn. I don't know. I'm reading 2 energies. I'm going to start with the energy of person A. So person A, what's this 8 of Cups? Who walked away and why? 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups. There was a bit of pride. There was a bit of pride and conflict. Somebody wanted to get away from the conflict ASAP, so they just left, I think. This connection had become a bit imbalanced. Maybe there was somebody who was trying to treat this connection as just flirting and time pass, or not keeping up their promises. They may have broken person B's heart. I don't know, something happened here. What's this Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles? Why is that on their mind? This Queen of Pentacles, I think, was not happy, and finally, I think, stopped fighting for the connection. And this connection has come to a halt at the moment. Complete halt. Somebody walked away, and person A probably feels they know that it's their fault, that they created this disruption. Yes, this person, this card came out sideways. So upright, King of Wands would be somebody smashing and dashing and wanting to take action. And in reverse, very self-centered and selfish. But either way, I think this person was a little attention-seeking, a little prideful, a little egoistic, I would say. So they did something here maybe which disrupted this connection. And now, even though now they're realizing that my person was the perfect person, they were the Queen of Pentacles, they are the ones that you invest in, for a long haul. And yes, they're feeling I killed it. I mean, I know it's my fault that I brought so much imbalance and conflict into this connection. They do want to end the fight now. Let's see what will happen. What happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this way? Knight of Cups in reverse again. So they know what they did. They know that they were a promise breaker. They know they did something which was not stepping up to the plate, or not, they didn't put any work in. They treated it just like a romantic affair or a fling or something, and they must have bailed after that. They could have walked away after they got what they wanted. They didn't really put in any stable work into it. No steady progress happened. They never made that offer. And if there was a fight where they probably did or said something nasty, they didn't even apologize, I feel. A lot of harsh words could have been spoken maybe, or they were just being immature and not keeping up their promise for anything stable, or no commitment here, not taking action for commitment. And maybe some words were exchanged here as well, I don't know, but it seems like it to me. Yes, the stability was not on offer, right? So now person A, how do you feel about the connection? I think person A is trying to do better now. They're trying to get over the toxicity which has come into this connection. They are feeling very stuck now. They have been enlightened that person A is the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands. They are attractive, they are super, they are the kind that, you is a perfect spouse, loving, caring, gentle, can look after themselves, can look after everybody else. And who rejects a person like that? But they did. And now they're trying to get unstuck from not taking action. They're trying to lower their defenses and hoping that their person will end the fight or lower their defenses. I think person A had a fear of change maybe in the past, but now they're realizing, I don't want to let this connection go. I want to hold on to it. In fact, if possible, I want to go back to the way things were. They don't want this to end. Person A doesn't want this connection to end. Death in reverse. So one more card, Spirit, for the death in reverse. Yes, they're feeling the loss of this love big time now. They're really feeling that this Queen of Pentacles has taken away their love now. Earlier they were giving, they were loving, they were doing everything correct, and now because of whatever's happened between the two of you, now person A is feeling, oh, where's that love now? That my Queen of Pentacles is now no longer giving me anything. Now they are not being, that sweet and nurturing and loving, and I've drained their cup of love. There is none being offered to me anymore, and that is being missed now. And because that's being missed, now this person is holding on to that hope that it's not completely over, and if there is any possibility of a return. Now, what action they're going to take to get this back, I'll open later, Capricorn. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening. Person B has the Ace of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why do they feel this way? Ace of Swords. I think person B is kind of taking control, taking back charge of their own life. They're making decisions. They feel that person never brought in any clarity and never made any decision. So I'm going to do that for myself. I'm going to become my own emperor, and I'm going to manifest a beautiful new life for myself. And I'll make my own decisions now. And this kind of empowered feeling that they are feeling is actually making them into the Queen of Wands. They are like Emperor, Queen of Wands. I mean, this is somebody really powerful who knows their worth, who know that they can accomplish anything that they set their mind to. They know they have the charisma and the talent, and they can walk into a room and have heads turn. So person B is now empowered into making decisions for themselves after they feel that they've been waiting for some clarity from person A which never came, or maybe they see person A as a liar now. So what happens, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? Chariot in reverse. There was a blockage in this connection. Maybe they feel their person never took any action towards them. I think person B could have then made up their mind that I am no longer also going to go towards them. I'm going to transform my life. I want a rebirth. I want a transformation of my own life. I'm not going to fight for this connection anymore. Chariot in reverse, one more, Spirit. Yes, I think this person B could be the one who's getting all that victory now, Capricorn. I hope this is you. Okay, so this victory card is for person B, who's making steady progress in their own life. So, 7 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Wands. This is almost like being gifted from the universe. They gifted this brand new journey, life, because they had self-respect, I would feel. They were so disappointed in person A that they decided, hey, if you're not going to invest, I'm not going to invest either. If you don't respect me, I'm not coming towards you either. Why should I be the only one who's fighting for this connection? I am putting down my gun, like surrender. 7 of Wands, one more. I love this reading. Yes, person B decided not to make any unwise or foolish investments in their life and decided the best person to invest in right now is me and myself. And they are achieving hell of a lot. All right. Okay. So how does person B see this connection now, Spirit? Hanged Man. They see that person is still stuck because of their need to control or need to not offer commitment. So they feel their person is always sitting on the fence where commitment is concerned. They find that very, very petty. They feel their person only creates drama and unrest and creates for unnecessary fights with them. Page of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Yes, so I think person B feels that that person is very immature. Very, very immature and doing petty things or gossiping or whatever, but basically not standing up with them, for them. And that makes person B feel very unhappy. They feel if my emotional needs are not fulfilled, then I'm getting unstuck from this. My rose-tinted glasses are now off. All right, so what actions will you guys take, if any? Let's take another deck for this one, Capricorn. And this is my cue to say, if you guys are still here, could you please hit that thumbs up button? Not for anything else, but I believe it helps the videos to circulate a little more, and that would really make me feel good. Thank you. And newbies, if you're still here and this is resonating with you, please, if you are subscribing, do hit that notification bell, because yes, your next reading is on Friday, the Love Bites, but I do post random videos, so I wouldn't want you to miss them. Thank you. Person A, the action they want to take is Nine of Swords in reverse. They want to get over their stress and their sleepless nights and worry and anxiety. But for that, person A, you'll have to take some action. Will you take any action? Action for person A, Spirit. How are they going to get out of their stress and anxiety and sleepless nights? Will they take any action? Action for person A. Ten of Wands in reverse. They want to drop all old baggage, maybe old way of thinking, maybe their cheating, lying behavior, whatever they've been doing in the past. Maybe they were just sneaking away from commitment in the past. Now they want to drop all that baggage. They want to come forward with a romantic offer. Finally, they want to reveal some emotions here. Very tentative. This is a Knight of Cups. Maybe bring person B some roses and feel them out and see whether person B is still open. Whatever resistance they had to commitment, I think they are now escaping that and putting down that whatever blockages they had regarding that, any past baggage or something, they're ready to drop that and actually come forward now to, So let's see person B. Will you take any action towards person A or otherwise? Two of Cups. Beautiful. Why is Two of Cups an action? What is this Two of Cups? The Emperor. Well, person B is telling me, yes, I do love them. I do think that they're a soulmate, they're a past life connection. But if they are coming back, Omkara Tarot, please send them this message. They better come back as the Emperor and nothing short. I'm not going to accept a page or a knight or even a king now, because I am the queen and I deserve somebody as good or better. So please tell them I do love them. I still feel that they, were my soulmate and I do love them. But if they return, please ask them to come. So you won't take any action now, person B? Will you take any action? Will you take any action? Seven of Cups. My person B says, what are you saying? Did I just not tell you I'm the Queen of Wands now? I'm turning heads wherever I go. The amount of options that are coming my way, the whole world is open to me. I have a lot of suitors to choose from now, or will in the near future. So yes, I'm going to choose an Emperor. So tell them if they want to be in the running and if they want to come back, well, I do love them, but they better come back as the Emperor, better than all my other options. So yes, that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.